Hi everybody, my name is Caleb and today I'm going to show you how to make waffles.
For this waffle, we will need the following: 2 eggs, 4 teaspoons of baking powder, 1 teaspoon of sugar. Well, today we are using brown sugar, and a 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Here's your salt here, Caleb. Half a cup of oil, 1 cup of milk, a 1/4 or half a teaspoon of vanilla essence, and 2 cups of all-purpose flour.
Before we get started, I have preheated my waffle maker. Now I'm going to add all the dry ingredients to it and give it a good mix.
Now I'm going to help Caleb to put in all the wet ingredients. So I'm going to add in the milk and the oil. I'm going to beat the eggs. Add the vanilla essence. And give it a mix. So guys, we've actually got a mixture together that's not too runny and not too thick. And we've actually started to put in the mixture into our waffle maker. So we're going to just add another one. Remember, we've actually put in some spray and cook, so it makes it easier, and this has been preheated as well. So we're just going to drop this in. It's fine if it gets messy. Yeah, just spread it around. And we're just going to close it until the light comes on for it to be ready. Should take about plus minus 5 minutes or even less than that, but we're just going to wait for our green light to come on.
The green light has already come on. Now it's time to take it out and see what it looks like. So this is what the waffle looks like after it's out. I have decided to put a little bit of ice cream on it and sprinkles. You can also grate chocolate on it and put maple syrup.
Maple syrup.
Maple syrup. So I'm going to add some chocolate sprinkles to it. So guys, after I cooked it, this is what it looks like. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you.